contact us and locate our services. So we did everything from the packing service to the moving service to the storage itself. So since the time that we started back in 2010, she was one of our first clients, and until now, her items are still intact, still protected, and still there in the storage unit. Thanks to our packing service and our professionalized packers as well. So going now to the other segment, which is the clients that are storing for corporate use. Most of the common purpose that corporations would store items would be for the financial documents, financial statements, just like what my brother said a while ago. Well, the BIR required a few years back, they required I think 5 years of storing your financial statements. Seven. Stand corrected. So I think now they changed it to 10 years. Yeah. So thank you to BIR for giving us more business. So yeah. Also they store in their office equipment, office paraphernalia, etc. Yeah, we just don't focus on big corporations. We also have small and medium enterprises. So basically, startup companies would need our service for their satellite warehouse. So they would store in their inventory, basically they use it as a satellite warehouse. So the goods come in and out, and if they have a store, they deliver the goods to their store. So if ever they also partake in such bazaars, they would also store in their stalls or their decorations as well. So